Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could convert to numbers in Excel. So probably you have numbers like this, and once you select them, you are not able to perform the sum of it, and you are getting errors, etc., and it's not showing as numbers. To fix that, select the table, a column, or an entire table, or even a row. So select it and click under Home. You will find this tab Number. Click and select Number. Once done, you can try to sum two numbers together. If it still doesn't work for you, so you want to change the decimal separator or to replace it to see if it's working. For example, in this case, I have put a comma and it's still not working, which means that in my Excel, the settings for decimal separator will be the dot. So I'm going to select, you can do this for an entire table, you select everything, or just for a column, Control F. I'm gonna put the comma and click replace with a dot and click replace all. The replacement has been done. Now when you select everything, it should show you the sum and the average, and everything should show as numbers. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.